In this session, we will talk about this section in the Home tab. We discussed till this place. This is pending. So guys, in case I want to copy this text in this cell again, how to do it? So one option is use the shortcut like Control C and come to the cell where you want to paste it and paste with Control V. So Control C is for copy, Control V is for paste. In case I want to cut it from here, not copy, so Control X and Control V. So it will cut from here. So we learned three things: cut, copy, paste, right? So these are when we are using shortcuts. So in case we want to do this using this ribbon section, how to do it? Now we want to copy this and paste here. So click the cursor here, and this is the option to copy. Copy, keep the cursor here. This is the option to paste, and you paste it. It got pasted here. Now you want to cut it from here, paste it from here using this section. Keep the cursor here, click on this scissor, cut, and keep the cursor here and come on paste. It will cut from here and paste. So you can do these three steps using shortcuts or using this section. Okay, now this cell has some formatting. What is the formatting? It has calligraphy text, font, and size is 11. The background color is green. And now change the text color to red. Now we write something here, like I write Bharti Goyal from Edford Shore, and I want to give it the same formatting, like the text color, the background color, the font, and everything. So what do you think? Should I go ahead and then first change the text color, then the background color, then the font, then the size? No, there's a shortcut. What is that shortcut? Keep the cursor here, which the cell which has all the formatting already. Click on this Format Painter and then take the same painter here and click on this cell. It will copy paste the formatting from this cell to this cell. It is not cutting paste, it is copying paste. Like I want to change the format of this cell as per this cell. So click the cursor on this Format Painter, click here. It will copy the formatting in that particular cell. So these session had four things: cut, copy, paste, and Format Painter.